So here we are outside the Senedd building, and I've been joined with loads of people, hundreds of people who've gathered here outside the building to stand in solidarity with the Palestinian people whose suffering is beyond our imagining at the moment. We're here to pray for peace. We're here to urge the Welsh Government, along with the UK Government and governments around the world, to press as hard as they can for a peaceful resolution, and certainly in the first instance a ceasefire. War doesn't solve anything. The longer this war goes on, the harder it will be to create a peaceful settlement. We urge this Israeli government and our UK government, in partnership with others, to work for peace so that the war can end, the suffering can end, and the Palestinian people can find their home once again in the Middle East.